and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Claude AI download fail in your PC. So first of all you have to do is launch your browser, type in Claude AI download. You will see download Claude. Click onto that link and simply select download for Windows or ARM64. If you are not being able to download Claude, you're going to have to check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you are connected to a very stable Wi-Fi. If you think your Wi-Fi is slower, go ahead and connect it to your secondary Wi-Fi or maybe use an Ethernet. As you do that, try again and see if it fixes your problem. Next thing you could try is simply use a different browser. If you are not being able to download Claude in Chrome, go ahead, come below at the search bar, type in Microsoft Edge or use any browser, and then type in Claude AI download in that browser. As you do that, you will see the same search result. All you have to do is click onto it under Claude download and simply select the Windows or any desktop you might have. As you do that, you will be able to download this application easily in your PC. Thank you for watching.